Fasano here on Mac TV, where you come for all your character education information. Guess where I am? Our Home Away from Home Memorial School. So I have a few things I want to share with you guys. First and foremost, if you didn't get to check out the special message from some of your teachers, have a look. For my second announcement, we're going to challenge you guys to a dance-off for our April Teamwork Challenge. So we're not going to dance to any old song. We're going to dance to We're All in This Together from High School Musical. Don't worry if you don't know the moves. I invited someone very special to help you out. Check it out.
So this is, again, just part 1 and 2 for the first time you hear When We're All in This Together. Ready?
Thank you, Mr. Lopresti. That was awesome. So boys and girls, if you want to be involved in this challenge, there are 3 things you need to do. First, gather your family. Second, record you guys dancing for 5 to 10 seconds. Then 3, email it to me. You can find my email on the Memorial website. Thank you so much for tuning into Mac TV today. Sending you all big hugs. Be safe, be well, be kind. See you next time.